So hello everyone, welcome to Ed 3021, which is the teacher and the school curriculum. So I am Jocelyn Paki Makapanas, your teacher for today. So our learning objectives for today's video or for today's topic is that at the end of the lesson, the student shall be able to describe the team teaching and seminar and its characteristic, as to compare and contrast the team teaching and the seminar, and A, effective for recognize the importance of team teaching and seminar as a means of enhancing the overall experiences and performance. So, are you ready? So, our topic for today is about team teaching and seminar. So, when you hear the word team teaching, what comes into your mind? Or, yeah. So, okay, we will discuss team teaching. Team teaching is one of the large group of teaching method. It is also the most modern techniques in the field of educational technology. The concept of team teaching arose in 1957. So team teaching also is a combination of two or more teachers who work with variable size of students during an adjustable period, which covers the two or more regular section. So team teaching is like the collaboration of the two teachers. So now, what really are the purposes of team teaching? And here we will know about it. So the first purpose of team teaching is that team teaching leads to improve of teaching through a better utilization of group of teacher. Second one, it helps the students to utilize the teacher's specialized expertise, interest, instruction skills, time, and energy. So here, the teacher will be able to as well as the students will be able to know how are they going to utilize their time, their energy on that specific subject, or that in specific what do you call this learning. So the next one is that it ensures preparation of lessons, materials, and other aids to create motivation among the students and better learning situation. The team concept itself increases the possibility of variety of instruction based on the pool talent of the teacher. So in here, you as a teacher, you must know, or making a motivation, you must know on what the students needs, and if it really helps the students to motivate themselves. And now, let's move on to the type of team teaching. There are four types of team teaching: the single subject team, interdisciplinary team, hierarchical teams, and synergetic teams. So let's go to the first team, or the single subject team. Two or more teachers agree to teach the same subject at a particular class level to the same group in a common period. The strength of the students varies according to the number of teachers. So we all know that we are lack of teachers here in our classroom or here in our campus. So the teacher will teach different subject in his time. Second one is the interdisciplinary teams. So here, the teachers of different subjects assumes responsibility for the same large group are given a block of time in which to work with them. So an interdisciplinary teams is not just a group of experts or implementing separate treatment to a learner. So they complement one another's experts and actively coordinate to work and as well as share different ideas in each. So just like an example of interdisciplinary teams is that when the teachers teach students on how to read and write. So that's it. So the third one is that hierarchical teams. So in these teams, one professional teacher is taking as the team leader in functions and administrator in charge. So in hierarchical team, so this type of team teaching method, just like similar to the pyramid, where different levels of teachers organized in a structure to from top to bottom, or yeah, but there's a different, just like the others. They put the bottom first, like the most expert from the bottom to top. So the team leaders place on the top, mid teachers are just in the below. So just like pyramid, so top, then the mid teachers are in below of the top, as well as the normal teachers in the bottom. So the last team is the synergetic teams. These are some teams which work together as a team under a minimum hierarchical approaches. So in this type of teaching method, there is no differentiation between the teachers. So through the cooperation of two or more teachers working together, the synergetic team teachings group will be formed. So just like the first one, team, the collaboration of the teachers is must needed. And that's all for the team teaching. Now let's move on to the seminar. So when you hear the word seminar, what comes into your mind? Seminar. So seminar is the term. The term seminar generally refers to the structured group discussion may proceed of follow or formal lecture. It may be either in the form of an essay or a paper presentation. So, as we all know, or as we see, we all know that most of the teachers have seminar, diba? So, they go to the seminar to be to the knowledge to gain more knowledge in that specific seminar. So these are the characteristics of seminar. So the first one, the seminar method is stimulating and motivating. Yes, because it motivates the teachers because it gives them more learnings as well. The second one is it is an effective mode of testing the students' understanding and knowledge in the subject or on the topic. So when you have a seminar, you as a teacher, you will be able to identify the students, the different students that they understand your subject or your lesson on that day. The next one, seminar promotes the power of delving deep into the matter of process and intellectual model. Questioning power is developed through participation in deriving principle from the context. So, when you join a seminar, there are more learnings you will gain. So the questions in your head will be answered to that because in seminar you will be teach different learning techniques, teaching techniques, teaching method, approaches, and many more. So it is an advanced means of socialization and interaction involving students' participation, exploration, and interaction. So in this, the students will have the confidence they have as well as the students or the learners. And that's all for the seminar and teaching, team teaching. So I hope you gain an understanding about that. So thank you for listening, everyone. Bye.